Hey guys, we're going to take a look today at the spin wheel. I'm going to show you how to set it up in the back office as well as what it looks like on the front end. So the first thing you're going to do is click on, turn it on, make sure it's turned on in your app, and you'll see on the side here, you click on spin wheel, and then you'll come to the add edit button. I've already got one set up, so I'm just going to take you through that altogether rather than building one out. This is what you'll see, and you've got some preset slices already here. You'll be able to select these for your spinning wheel, what's actually spinning. You've got a background image, and I'll show you where that fits in the background. This is what the spin wheel looks like, and the background image is right here. So you've got this hard-coded spin wheel in the middle of the screen, and then you've got this area to work with in the background here, and that's what's right here. The file sizes are mentioned here, and then you got a choice of frames. You can choose different frames. Again, this is what it looks like. And those right now we've got the red one selected. So I've added my background image here. This is the starting slice. As you can see, when I pick my starting slice, that's the starting slice. So that means where the spin wheel is going to start. And I pick my wheel. And then you've got here, how many times are you going to allow someone to retry? So right now we've got set to 100 for the demo, and obviously you don't want this to be at 100 because somebody will keep spinning and they'll win, your prizes. I would recommend, once every 24 hours. You've got time between retries. So if you allow 100 retries, and right now it's at a minute. After a minute, I can try again. Again, when you're setting it up for real, I would definitely not make it 100, and give it some time between the retries. Here you've got the ability to enter an expiry time for your prize. So let's say I spin my wheel and I win a prize, and you want to drive traffic to your business. You can say the prize expires in 24 hours, 48 hours, whatever the number is, and that would force the user to come in and actually redeem the prize. The redeem code is the validation code. You've got some terms and conditions here and some plain text, and you can activate it. These have not been completed yet. You claim by completing your profile. We're going to take that out. You claim by sharing on Facebook. That's something that's a value add. So obviously, if someone shares it on Facebook, that's how you can say, okay, you can claim your prize, but you have to share it on Facebook if you check that. So that's how the initial setup is, and then you'll come over here. You'll see the your title, your spin wheel you just set up. You come over here for prizes, and then we'll click on that, and I've set up a bunch of different prizes. So all of these prizes, if you calculate this, will total to 100%. And it needs to do that, otherwise it won't work properly. So we've got 55 plus 30, which is 85, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, and then 5 is 100. When you click Add Edit, you'll see this screen, and you'll see the ability for you to select a prize image from either our library. If you click the library link here, we've got a few different things set up already, or you can upload your own file, your own image here, and then you can see that the sizes are right here. You can put your own image here, and images, these are the prizes. So this is what it looks like on the spin wheel, right? This is how it will look. So I'm going to close that off, and then you're also able to upload manually a different triangle here for your spin wheels. Okay, you can upload your own image here. The image size is not here, but we'll get that added by the time you guys start using this. And then also right here, this is important. So this prize will appear 55 out of 100 times. So 55% of the spins will show this prize. Okay, so obviously the smaller prizes should be showing up more. The bigger prizes, the more valuable prizes, should be showing up less. And in this situation, for example, we've got 50% off. It's only going to show up 1% of the time. A 0%, like a loser, if you don't win anything, will show up only 1% of the time. And then your cheaper or your less valuable prizes will show up much more. So those are all your prizes. Once you finish that, I'll click back on the spin wheel. Your entries are, this is where you see the people that have won something here, so you can see some information here. Those are all the winners. And then this button essentially resets your spin wheel. So you know how we have the percentages here? So if, let's say someone's spun the wheel 10 times and they've already gotten 10 of these, by clicking reset, resets the counter. So we'll start all over again. And essentially that's it inside of the back office. It's all you have to do. The other thing is when you're mapping this out on your home screen, where's my settings here? On your home screen, I put this over here, spin to win. Make sure you select the spin wheel. If this is unchecked, it won't open up, obviously. So that has to be selected. Now let's take a look at the app version. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open up the spin wheel. We've got a little info here. We're going to fix this as well. The text has got a character limit. We'll increase that. That's your terms and conditions. You've got a list of your prizes here. I'm going to spin this now so you can take a quick look at how it works in the app. Yeah, I won 10% off. You've got this little animation that pops up. I can claim my reward and enter the password. 1234 was the password, and submit, and now I've won that prize. And that's essentially it. It's validated, and over here is the listing of the prizes, all my history of all the prizes that I've won for each user. That's it. Thanks for watching. One more thing before you go. I'm trying to retry my spin again, and you can see once you come back in the spin wheel, you've got your time here. Your timer here, it's counting down. It's dynamic. 30 seconds, I'll be able to respin it again. Obviously, if it's got 24 hours, it'll show 24 hours. But that's it. Thanks for watching.